the little bonsai. This is our first show and tell video
For this month, fresh, we'll show you 6 different food items, and yeah, we hope you like it.
that we are crazy about for this month.
Let's get
Let's get started.
We have the legendary mac and cheese. It's by Kraft. Like
It's very easy to make.
Yes.
How?
It's very easy to make. Okay, you just need water, margarine or butter, and milk. So and add some salt to taste. Okay, very cute bowl.
We made it just now.
Quite nice. You can add some like ground pepper to taste.
Butternut squash, sweet potato and parmesan from Marks and Spencer. Honey and dried red peppers inside as well. It takes only about 3 minutes for it to heat up. You don't have to add water or anything, just pour it in the saucepan, stir it a bit, and that's all.
The third item that we've been digging is this miso and mustard salad dressing. It is so damn good. I am a fan of salad shi too. You know the salad stock, right? We eat Go Geisha. It's a Japanese based salad. I think this tastes exactly like the one they use in salad stock. It's like sour miso taste, so I like it.
It's a pop chip snack. But they used only heat and pressure to make this. They didn't like fry or bake it. So it's very clean. Nice. Done.
It's a Japanese green tea. Yogurkita blend green tea. How it looks like inside. And I like it. I drink it like almost every single day. Like I feel weird not drinking it. Tea is very good for the body and it helps in digestion. So
Chicago mixed popcorn, caramel corn and cheddar cheese. Would you like to try one?
yes, thanks.
Mine is really good.
I tried the cheese one and it's awesome. Oh, it's so good. So we are done for this month's fresh favorites video. Stay tuned for more next month. If you have a favorite, comment down below and we'd like to try it.
If you have tried any of these that we just recommended and you like it or you hate it or whatever,
Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. We are your friends, not people. Little Bonsai signing out. Peace.
bye.